Last video, we calculated the duration of every activity on our DPWH road project. 9 solid numbers. But which of them actually control the finish date, and which have room to slip? Today PERT and CPM, the critical path method. Turn the 9 activities into a network, one node each, connected by arrows showing what depends on what. Mobilization and clearing start together at month 0. Earthworks chases clearing, starting half a month behind. Subbase chases earthworks, 1 month behind. Paving chases subbase, 1 month behind. Drainage and slope protection branches off clearing, 1 month behind, running 3 months in parallel. Shoulders begin once paving is 60% complete, without waiting for the last slab. These start-to-start lags are exactly the overlaps you saw on the Gantt chart. Now the forward pass, walk the network start to finish, adding durations to find the earliest each activity can start and finish. Mobilization and clearing start at month 0, clearing finishes at month 1. Earthwork starts at month 0.5, finishes at month 2. Follow that chain through subbase, paving, shoulders, and markings, and demobilization finishes at month 6, our earliest possible completion, matching the 6-month contract exactly. The backward pass runs the other way. Starting from month 6, we find the latest each activity can start and finish without delaying that date. Most activities on the main chain have 0 room to move. Drainage is different, it finishes its own work by month 4, but isn't needed until month 5.5. That gap, 1.5 months, is float, schedule breathing room. Drainage can start late or run slow, and the finish date never moves. Every activity with 0 float forms one unbroken chain, mobilization and clearing, into earthworks, into subbase, into paving, into shoulders, into markings, into demobilization. That chain is the critical path. Any delay here, even a single day, pushes the whole 6-month finish date back by the same amount. Drainage can slip and the project recovers, paving slips 1 day, the project slips 1 day. This is where the project engineer's attention belongs. One more tool PERT, the 3-point estimate, for when an output rate is uncertain. Instead of 1 guess, take 3, optimistic, most likely, and pessimistic. Expected duration, TE, equals optimistic, plus 4 times most likely, plus pessimistic, divided by 6. Say a task could take 10 workdays if things go well, 13 most likely, or 22 if it rains. 10 plus 52 plus 22, over 6, is 14 workdays, a single defensible estimate. CPM still decides which activities matter most. Let's recap. Build the network from your activities and their lag relationships. Run the forward pass for earliest start and finish. Run the backward pass for latest start and finish, and float. 0 float activities form the critical path, and that chain governs your finish date. For how those durations were calculated, check Part 2, for the Gantt chart and S-curve this builds up to, check Part 1. Thanks for watching. Before you go, follow RHC Engineering and RHCES on YouTube and Facebook, and find more resources on our websites, shown here on screen. See you in the next video.